So today we're taking this old cabinet and gonna redo it. Just an old kind of cherry wood cabinet, kind of ugly, worn out, got a lot of scratches and stuff on it. And we're gonna do a little remodel, so to speak, renovation of this one. So we're gonna sand it down. It had a different colored top on it. We're gonna paint the whole thing white, but we're also gonna get rid of these curved legs on it, kind of give it a specific style that we're not looking for. So we're gonna straighten those up and paint the whole thing white. It's gonna look good. So it's a nice cabinet. You can see here a lot of hardwood in the construction, very solid. It went with a set that was, you know, kind of this interesting shape. So we can't take the shape out of the drawers really without making a whole new drawer face. So we're not gonna do that. I'm actually just gonna cut these right along this, make the legs straight on the front. Even just with that single cut, just straightened that leg up. You can see a significant difference in the look of the cabinet already. I left a little curve there at the top just to kind of make it look like it goes together with the other curves. So now getting ready to sand down these drawers. Pretty much the same thing, just gonna give them a light sanding. I filled in the holes where the drawer pulls were, just so we can use whatever drawer pulls we feel like, not just those center mount ones. Gonna sand it down and gonna paint this with the same thing, that Rust-Oleum Ultimate, and it's gonna look great. All right, we've got the legs trimmed up, got the project all sanded down here. I'm just gonna run a little bit of blue tape along these rails. All right, got those taped up. Just gonna give it a quick wipe down. We already blew it off with the blower there. So I'm gonna be using this Rust-Oleum Universal. This is actually my very favorite spray paint for any projects like this. This stuff sticks to anything. I've actually painted upholstery with this before and sticks just fine, works really great. On furniture like this, it ends up being really, really good, really strong, really smooth. So if you're trying to paint any furniture or anything, this is the one to get. It's kind of hard to find sometimes, but pick this one up at Lowe's, and I usually buy all that they have. So we're just gonna make sure we shake it up real good. I usually do the first coat kind of light, and then after that we'll start putting on some thicker coats to make it really smooth and give it that furniture grade finish on it. So if you're looking for coverage, that's basically one can's worth. Like I said, I put the first coat on light, and that's just to get it to stick without any runs. Then the later coats I'll build up. I usually do 3 coats, something like that, depending on the piece of furniture, how much of it had finish on it before and how much of it was bare wood. So here we're onto the second coat, and instead of going real thin, I'm trying to get it on thicker. So I'm gonna be listening. I don't want to hear it kind of breaking up like that. I just want it to be a nice smooth stream. The best spray paint for furniture, Rust-Oleum Universal. Sprays beautiful. So we got this dresser all finished up. It's looking great. Changed the color on it, changed the legs on it, changed the handles on it, and now it went from ugly to something that's really cool. Really great piece in this room. So if you want more building projects, ideas, restoration tips, check out the channel, give us a subscribe, and you can like this video as well. Leave a comment down there if you got any questions or anything. Thanks for watching.